Hello everyone, if you're looking for classy, stylish and affordable bags, then this video is for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Muskan and I make videos related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So today I'm back with another haul video. I have ordered lots of bags from a brand called Hot Sauce and I'm very excited to show you that. First of all, I want to tell you about this brand. So Hot Sauce is a super trendy, premium and stylish fashion brand where you can find very stylish and premium bags, and they also have trendy watches, cool sunglasses and fashion accessories. So guys, मेरे को ये बहुत बड़ा पार्सल रिसीव हुआ है इस ब्रांड से. This package has 6 to 7 bags, I guess, and I'm going to show all of that to you, so stay tuned. So let's open the first bag. I love that it comes with a dust bag. So premium, like look. Here is the branding, and what about space? Let's see. I think it has enough space, lots of space, I guess. It also comes with a belt. So you all can see कि इसका shape कितना unique है. I think it looks like a cloud. So pretty. And I think इसमें इतना space है कि इसमें phone हो, lip gloss हो, keys हो, wallets हो, ये सब easily fit हो जाएंगे. Like you can take that to the picnic, casual outings, day outings or brunch dates. Casual में आप इसे कभी भी use कर सकते हो, and also special कुछ है तो भी use कर सकते हो, because look how premium this looks. Like so cute. I loved it. Now let's go to our second bag. So this is the second bag of the haul and I think it's the most premium and bold bag of this haul. इसके handles काफी strong and grip बहुत अच्छी है and it comes with a glossy finish and I love that about this. And इस bag में भी space काफी अच्छा है. So let me show you. इसको हटा ही देती हूँ. Look. Like आराम से phone, wallets, compact, lip gloss, touch-ups के भी सारे सामान आ जाएंगे. So look. And it also comes with a detachable strap. You can make it a sling bag and it looks so cool. Trust me, it looks so cool. So पहला वाला बैग आप लो ना लो, इसे जरूर ले लेना. इसे आप पार्टी में, क्लब्स में, इवनिंग आउटिंग्स में, इवनिंग डेट्स में कैरी कर सकते हो. And if you add this bag to your outfit, it will give you the rich girl vibe. Now I'm moving to the third bag of this haul and it's this white bag. And I think कि सबके पास एक ना एक white bag होना ही चाहिए. So that's why I bought it. What a beautiful texture. It looks so classy. Look. It has also enough space for your phone, wallet, makeup, keys and whatever you like to carry. Like छोटे छोटे सामानों के लिए बहुत स्पेस है. सारे के सारे बहुत ही प्रीमियम लग रहे हैं. I have no regrets. It also comes with a detachable strap. ये काफी क्लासी लग रहा है. Trust me. If you want a white bag, जो कि I think हर लड़की के पास एक होना ही चाहिए. So just buy this. And you can carry this to your lunch dates, shopping, casual outings, everywhere you want. Now let's move to our fourth bag. This is our fourth bag. Look at this. It's a sling bag. वैसे तो it's a sling bag, but you can also make it a handbag like this. And I think it looks so cool, like this chain strap. I love this. मैंने ये इसलिए मंगाया क्योंकि मेरे को एक बैग चाहिए था जिसमें ये chain वाला strap हो. And this पे भी you can see it has a glossy finish. And of course space तो मैं आपको दिखा ही रही हूँ. But it also comes with a small compartment like this. छोटे छोटे सामान आप इसमें रख सकते हो. यहाँ पे भी एक zip है, फिर एक ये बड़ा compartment है. And this is a small compartment. इसमें तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही space है as compared to all of that. तो चलो अब हम लोग move करते हैं towards our fifth bag. Let me show you. It's the perfect straight-one bag. Look at this. Perfect Barbie pink color. And इसका handle तो आप देख सकते हो कितना unique है. Of course, it's a whole statement bag and you can't deny it. Look at this. And it also comes with a detachable strap. सारे में strap है, so आप handbag चाहो handbag बना लो, sling bag चाहो sling bag बना लो, like whatever you like. And also shoulder bag भी बना सकते हो. Perfect bag, perfect statement piece of this haul. If you're pink girly, then you must buy this from their website. And again, let me tell you the name of the brand, that is Hot Sauce. Now let's move to our sixth bag. Look at this. इसका शेप मेरे को काफी यूनिक लगा. Like it has a round handle and this color combination, I loved it. Black and it's kind of very lightish pink. Let me show you how it looks. Trust me, you'll love it. If you want to buy it, go grab it. It's also a handbag and look at the space. Like इसमें उन सब के comparatively थोड़ा कम space है, but also I think it's enough for me. Like for lip gloss, keys, phone, it's enough for all of that. मैंने इसे order किया because I loved its shape and also the color combination, and of course the quality is premium like all other bags, and it looks so classy, I guess. Casual outings के लिए, casual meetings के लिए, कहीं भी आप जा रहे हो, it's giving a formal vibe, don't you think? Tell me in the comments what do you feel about this bag. Overall, I loved it. And now the last but not the least bag of this haul, it is this shimmery bag. मेरे को अभी किसी relative के शादी में जाना है, तो अभी as you know wedding season चल रहा है, so I ordered this bag for that, and you can see the shimmery particles here. It has golden handle, and let me open and show you. I don't know how it opens. It has lot of space. Also comes with a chain strap. You can also make it a sling bag. I think it's perfect for the wedding season या फिर festivals हो कोई भी. You can carry this along with your ethnic wear, चाहे वो साड़ी हो, सूट हो. So if you love classy, premium and affordable bags, then this brand is totally for you. My overall shopping experience from this brand is pretty good, and I'll totally recommend this brand to you. And that's all for this video. And मैं सारे bag के links description box में डाल दूंगी. So if you liked any of it, just shop it from that. And also you can share it to your friends. If you don't want to miss the next video, subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.